Look, such pretty flowers. What are they, Mama?
Lotus. Look at the big leaves. What do you see?
Words. What are those words?
Sight words.
What? What words? That's the name of the station.
Sight words are words you read just as they are. Just like that. Not with sounds.
What do you mean, Mama?
I will tell you the word. The whole word as it is. You remember it just like that. Can you see the frog with the blue dots? He is on the. Say it after me.
I see a frog with red dots. He is sitting on.
Is. Repeat. Is.
Is.
The other frog is now on and. Hips and chinu. Sight words help to make sentences. Look, the frog with red dots is on this and now he's hopped on to a. When you see this letter all by itself, you say a, not a. A is a sight word.
Mama Yani, this is a bag.
Very good, Hips. Where are the frogs? Ah, there they are. One is on my and the other is on by. My, by, they rhyme.
My cap is red. See, I made a sentence too.
Yes, you did. Can you see the big leaf over there? The word on it is that.
What word is that, Mama Yani?
That's on. The frog with red dots is on the leaf. And the leaf next to it has in written on it. There are fishes in the water. Do you see them? Let's do the sight words again. The, is, and, this, a, by, my, that, on, in. That's it. Over. Time to go.
Hips, I'll race you to the station.
Well, children, you know what to do now. Follow the frog and try to read the sight word he is on. Remember, read the word as a whole. See you soon. Look, children, the frog is jumping from leaf to leaf. Each leaf has a sight word on it. Read the word on the leaf the frog is on.
Mama, may I have your book and pen, please? Okay. Hips, I'm going to write something. You must try and read it.
A hat. A big hat. A big red hat.
My cat. My cat on the mat. My fat cat on the mat. This is fun.
Give me the book, please. Thank you. I will write some sentences for you. Take turns to read. Now read these. Slowly, clearly. Chinu, you start.
A dog sat on the mat.
This is a red bus.
My hut is not big.
It is a hot day.
The cow is by the pen.
That hen is in the pot.
Okay, we've reached. Time to go home. Let's thank the driver and be off. Well, Hips, did you have a good time?
I had a super time, Mayane. Thank you. See you in school, Chinnu. Bye-bye.
Bye, Hips. See you in school.
Pebbles Kid Stories.